Alright, in this video I'm just inspecting a possible something up there. Can you see it? Let me zoom in at the top, very top floor, the apex of my roof. I got something going on, so I am launching my new drone. I love this thing. Lots of home inspection benefits, roof, gutters, you name it. And here we go. Let's get a little closer. What do you think that is? That looks like a beehive. Yep, that is a beehive. Or a wasp nest. Yeah, those are wasps, actually. We've got an occasional wasp problem around here. Now, getting to this is another story. Look at that. Yikes. That's kind of sizable and definitely active. So I have to get up there and figure out how to get up there and spray and run without falling down the roof. So, the joys of home ownership, right? My goodness. And by the way, probably stinging my drone. Probably very angry. This noisy thing is hovering right next to them. But now I know what it is. I'm going to get you guys. So let me head down to the garage and grab my wasp and bee spray. Alright, so I'm pretty much ready here. The angle of attack through my kiddo's bedroom window. Let's take that screen off. And here we go. I have my tennis shoes on for a fast exit at an incline. Or decline, I should say. Been a while since I've been out here on the old roof. Hopefully I don't fall. Shingles are looking pretty good, I think. Maybe. That's another story. So let me see if I can get a good angle. Yeah, there it is. All right, we are locked and loaded. Give it a good shake. Lid is off. Left hand up. What do you think? Fire in the hole? Yeah, that got him. I'm not gonna hang out. Gets the job done, right? Not very graceful, but I made it. And that is how I took care of it. Woohoo! That's a victory.